Hey folks, Mark Johnson. It's iPhone Friday. I'm excited. I know you are. And let's check out the phones I picked up. So we got the iPhone 13. This is pink. Of course, had to go with the both Pro Maxes in Sierra Blue. I'm a fan of blue, so it is what it is. And let's just jump into them real quick. I'm going to come back with some first impressions. Also have the mini iPhone and the mini iPad as well coming. So be on the lookout for those videos. So let's just jump into this first iPhone 13. So they got this new opening mechanism now. Let's zoom in a little bit on this one so we can go all the way in. And as we look at this, let's just see. I know the packaging, there's no more cellophane wrap on it. Let's just open this one up. Oh wow, this is nice. I'm not gonna lie, this is definitely, yeah, it's pretty nice here. So definitely just like last year's, I'm not gonna sit here and try to sell you on the design. It is what it is, right? You either like it or you don't. But I will say that it does feel a little bit heavier. I've heard some of that, but I do like the look of it though. I mean, I didn't have a problem with last year's model. So that's the regular iPhone 13. And of course you have your, I doubt there's gonna be any colored Apple stickers. Let's see. No, so just your typical regular Apple sticker. So that's that. So that's the 13. So let's get into the 13 Pro. So for me, this is going to be one I'm going to be excited about because last year I started out with pretty much I used the Pro Max a little bit. Then I went to the Mini, which had horrible battery life. And then I went to the Pro Max. Wow. So look at these camera bumps. That's the first thing that stands out to me on this Sierra Blue. I love the color. Definitely a fan of it. I mean, you can just take a look. This thing is definitely shiny. And so let's go ahead and pull that off. So yeah, so there's the 13 Pro Max. So yeah, definitely a nice, 13 Pro. So I like the look of that one. And then let's get to the big boy here. This is the Pro Max. Now, once again, if you need the most battery life, I mean, this is gonna be the way to go. But at the same time, it's like, honestly, even with my big old hands, I never got used to the side of the 12 Pro. You know, so this is going to be interesting to see. So here it is. Yeah, still that same. I can tell it's already heavier, so we'll see how it goes. So yeah, this is. So let me hold it next to the 12 Pro Max. So as you can see here on the camera, I mean, the camera bump is noticeably bigger. Wow. I mean, that thing is definitely a lot bigger. And I could definitely tell, even from this main camera, it's like ever so slightly, you know, thicker. But yeah, for sure, I'm probably gonna be going with the regular 13 Pro this year. But yeah, just comparing both of them, like just kind of give you an idea of the size. This is it from the front, and then this is what they look like, you know, from the back. This is kind of the size difference you're going to be, you know, dealing with. So both of these phones, you know, all these phones are out today. I'm going to get the 13 Mini as well. I'm going to test the battery life out. To be honest, the screen is just too small for me nowadays. But I'm liking the 13 Pro because I feel as though like my finger is going to be able to, you know, reach. I can use it more one-handed. Where this big old thing is, I got to move the phone out of my hand, and it's just, for me, I just never got used to it. So nonetheless, that's a quick look at the iPhones. I'll be back, of course, with some more unboxings, some more videos, some more thoughts and impressions. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you in the next one. Take care.